So I'm gonna use this knife to crack open this next one. This one looks like a fixed blade, if you will. Make sure I don't, I can probably take it out. I just need to get over the tape. All right, there we go. Yep, let me go ahead and maybe do it with my hands from this point forward. Yes, this guy right here is definitely a fixed blade. So check this out. All right, look at this guy. So fixed blade going on with the Kydex sheath, it looks like. And this one has a nice clip to it too, so you could daily carry this guy. So that looks pretty awesome right there, that you can do that. Let me move some things out of frame. We'll come back to this guy towards the end. We'll put all the knives in frame at the end. But yeah, G10 handles, full tang all along for the knives here on the handle. So a little pusheroo here with the thumb. Boom. Check this out. Give it a little wipe right here on the sleeve. Don't know where my wiping cloth is for some reason. And here we are, guys. Take a look at this thing. Holy moly. Don't see any branding on the blade. I'm definitely going to put the brand name and model here. But man, this thing is, look at that. Perfect fit for my hand. Fits like a glove. Not too big, not too short. It's like perfect size. A little bit of jimping right here. Nice clip-on blade going on there. And yeah, let me see what the fit on the sheath looks like. Oh, that's a satisfying click. All right, also on the bloop extraction, on the return, again, bloop. Yeah, it's gonna be nice and easy to take out of the sheath. And so far the quality right here, right, everything is pretty aligned. All the seams, there's no no spaces or anything out of line there. And this is pretty good. And a little nice sharpening choil going on there, which is pretty neat. And I bet this thing is a slicer. Yeah, very, very interesting, very pokey blade right there. Look at that, nice and pokey. It's perfect for bushcrafting, right? If you're doing some bushcrafting, this thing is gonna put in work. And again, a very nice and functional blade. There's absolutely no doubt about that. This G10 feels really, really good. And it feels like, what is that, a T8? Probably a T8 right there on the screws. And man, the way it fits on the sheath, boom, perfect. Yep. Again, I say Kydex. This might be FRN. I'm not an expert on sheaths for fixed blade, but I'm, working my way into learning more and more. So I like the fact that it has a pocket clip. So I might do some shorts for the channel where I carry it and show what it looks like in the pocket, right? With the deep carry clip right there. Maybe do a scout carry, right? Maybe vertical carry. We'll see. But yes, that's exciting. I'm looking forward to that. EDC and that fixed blade. Next, we have, matter of fact, why don't we use the fixed blade to open this next guy? Okay, I don't want to cut the box, so let me find a way to make a very precise cut. All right, every knife is having the honors of opening the next knife. How about that? The first knife we looked at right here, this little guy, nice and slicey, easy to carry, small factor. Then we looked at this nice fixed blade, right, with sheath and everything. That's pretty cool. And keep in mind, guys, I'll be dropping reviews for each one of these. The Asher knives liner lock right here was the third one that we looked at. Then we looked at this guy. We still gotta get a feel for it, but I promise you I'll get the hang of it. And last but not least, check this guy out. Boom. There you have it, guys. Got some wonderful, amazing unboxing for you all today. Really, I'm speechless right now. Don't know what to say. It's quite a lot of knives that I'm gonna be EDCing here over the next week or two. Honestly, I may not even have that much time because typically the cycle is that, we borrow the knives for about a week and then we have to send them to the next person on the pass around. But I'm gonna try to EDC them like crazy over this next week because there's just so much here, so much to take in right now. I don't even know where to start. So of course, this is a unboxing experience, right? First impression. You guys saw what my reaction is out of the box. It will be very unfair to call this a review since obviously I need to spend some time EDCing these knives, experiencing them myself so I can gather some feedback to share with you all. So if you aren't already subscribed, this will be an awesome time to subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button while you're at it because why not? It helps the channel grow and it helps this video reach a larger audience. On the way out, if you want to help out the channel a step further, you can do so over on Patreon for as little as $1 a month. month. If you made it to the very end, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you all so much for all your support. Chances are the review for the Vivi Sentinel Strike is going to be ready to go. If that's the case, I'm going to put a card right here for you guys to check out that video next. You guys take good care of yourself. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.